In front of me is VIVO X51 5G, and let me show you how to check total screen time on the following device. So at first you need to open the settings, then find and select Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls, and tap on Show Your Data. And right in front of you you've got the statistics. If you will click in the middle of the circle one more time, you will be able to check some further details. So for example, as you can see, settings have been in use for 17 minutes today, and camera have been in use for 2 minutes. If you will be using your device for some longer time, you will be able to check past days as well. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.